Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So guys, immediately me just want to beat myself because I had the perfect home to show you guys. 2 bedroom in St. James, and it was about 13 million, but that took too long to post the video and the house went under offer. So nonetheless, I found some great offerings to show you guys and some cool listings. So let's jump right in today's video and let me do a little redemption. The first home I want to show you guys is this one, listed for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars, or 94,211 US dollars, or 72,168 pounds. Now this one is located on retirement Montego Bay, St. James, and it's a 3 bedroom 3 bathroom property. It sits on a lot size of 3,668 square feet. Now guys, what's really good about this house, all the homes are ensuite bathrooms, and in 2 of the 3 bedrooms you will have walk-in closets. As you can see, you do have some amount of like built-in cabinetry here in the living room and the kitchen, and it seems quite open, a nice open concept floor plan, and the rooms are, I'd say, decently sized and spacious, right? So as you can see, you have lots of space to, even the size of your bed, which we aren't really seeing again. Of course, this one looks like, the kids' room, that smaller blue room, but I think this one is a really, really good one. Of course, you have to do some renovations in the bathroom, make it a bit more modern and updated, but you can take your time. All right, guys. So again, this one is listed for 14.5 million Jamaican dollars. 3 bedroom 3 bathroom, retirement, Montego Bay, St. James. And guys, I will link the link. I'll leave a link to the realtor to get in contact with her if you're interested in this one in the description box down below, and the description box is immediately below the title of the video. Calling all backyard and small scale farmers, this is the home that you need to hear about. This one is listed for 14 million Jamaican dollars, or 90,962 US, or 69,679 pounds. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's located in Welcome Hall, St. James. But hear this, you guys, this home sits on a lot size of over 2 acres of land. Yes, over 2 acres of land. Are you guys seeing this home right now? Look at how spacious the inside of this home is. No, I need all the persons who are always asking me for St. James homes to, reach out to the realtor when I link this one in the description box below. I'm telling you the truth though, I do not know where Welcome Hall is, so maybe that has an influence on the price. It seems like to be more of a rural area. Tell me in the comments down below, right? So it may be like a more rural area of St. James, which is probably why it's priced that way. But there are a lot of persons who are searching for rural homes. Just look at the house. Wall, look at the wall. Look at it's a nice architecture, really built up really nicely and designed really nice. Just, well, based on the outside, the outer appearance, I like this one. Tell me, you guys, tell me in the comments what you think about this one. $14 million, over 2 acres of land, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in Welcome Hall, St. James. So are you guys liking this one? I just can't believe we can't get some of these deals in Kingston. Man. Now guys, stay tuned. After this home, I have a $10.5 million home to show you. All right. So this one is listed for 20 million Jamaican dollars, or US $129,946, or 99,542 pounds. This is a 2-bedroom 2 bathroom home located in the Meadows of Irwin in Montego Bay, St. James. Now the house sits on a lot size of 900 square feet. All right, and the Meadows of Irwin is a gated community. It's a really lovely and like newer development in Montego Bay. You guys can search YouTube, and I've seen quite a few videos on like the areas of like Meadows of Irwin. Lots of development going all around this area. Really nice gated area. Now this home features AC units, hurricane shutters, water heaters, and you have this beautiful and well fruited yard with your your landscaping basically all done and ready for you guys to move in. So if you are interested in this one, I will leave a link in the description box down below so that you can reach out and send the realtor a message so that you guys can view this lovely one in Montego Bay. I know lots of persons, they ask me specifically for gated communities. That's where they feel safe, that's where they feel like they're getting the best value for their money, and that's where they feel the most safe and secure. So I always love showing these gated communities to you guys and these gated homes. So if you're interested, reach out to realtor. $20 million, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Meadows of Irwin gated community in Montego Bay, St. James. Now the last home that I'll show you guys to close out today's video is a semi-detached home listed for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars, or 68,222 US, or 52,260 pounds. Now this home is located in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay, St. James, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that sits on a lot size of 2,292 square feet. So as you can see, guys, and with that lot size, you have space and room to expand. There's space to expand towards the front. And I've always been the person like to stray away from like these semi-detached homes. But this morning on my walk, I saw some semi-detached homes in San Andrew, and the way that it was done, well, you know what, they were fully attached. They were attached on both sides, but I wouldn't consider them townhouses because they weren't really like 2 stories. Maybe they are townhouses, but it kind of changed my perspective on semi-detached homes or attached homes. And the way that it was done, it was just so seamless, so effortless, and each home had their little character to it. Yes, they were joined, but it was still so beautiful and nice. So as you can see, guys, on the inside you have some bedrooms, and the bedrooms are a bit smaller. No, but this would be a great starter home. It'd be a great one for a small family. Yes, you do have a few renovations that you have to do, but it's not at all in terrible condition or in any weird shape or way or form. So you guys have space to expand with this one. Again, 10.5 million Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, sitting on a lot size of 2,292 square feet. It's also close by Westgate Shopping Center and Mega Mart, so that is really good. Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. And yeah, I'll put the realtor's number in the description box for this one, and you guys can reach out to her if you're interested in doing a viewing or a showing. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. So sorry I haven't posted. Well, I posted last Sunday, so sorry. Sorry I didn't get any videos up during the week, but I have lots of videos, lots of home showing. I was sitting on them and waiting, and I don't know why I waited, because I'm still upset with myself because I let that one get away and get under offer before I was able to show you guys in my community. So no more sitting on videos and postponing any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment. All right, share it in your WhatsApp groups, share it on your Instagram. Here's some all up on Twitter. Somebody post, you guys sharing. Thanks for the persons who share on Twitter. I'm not even on Twitter, but thank you guys, and in Facebook and all of that. And follow me on all socials as TikTok. Not even all socials, let me be honest. Follow me on TikTok at Safe Haven.